At 12:29 on this Tuesday afternoon, the heat is really settling in. Right now, temperatures valley-wide are really sizzling. We're in the mid to upper 90s. Check out Edinburg and Rio Grande City and McAllen, 97 and 99, mid to lower 90s. The farther into the mid and lower valley you go, and then closer to the coast. But of course, you have to factor in all that humid air. We don't get rid of that this time of year. Right now we're anywhere between 100 and 107 in your feels like temperatures. So yeah, very steamy afternoon. Keep an extra bottle of water with you today. Water is definitely going to be the way to go. Your high temperatures, here we go. 89 at the coast to 99 in Weslaco, up to 103 the farther west you go. So with taking consideration that heat index, so you have to factor in the humidity even more as we heat up this afternoon, and we could exceed 110 degrees this afternoon in terms of your feels like temperatures. So just remember to take breaks in the shade, give your body a break from the direct heat. It really will prevent heat related illness that can settle in very quickly. A look at your winds right now. They're out of the south southeast, and they're kicking, not too bad out there, but they're going to turn up a little bit more this afternoon into that green and yellow range, which indicates 15 to 20 mile per hour winds. The winds are still going to gust near 30 miles per hour for the remainder of the day. Later on tonight, this is 10. It's still a little breezy, so yeah, for fireworks tonight, definitely a little breezy. It's not until early tomorrow morning that those wind speeds actually slow down. Looking at the setup across Texas, there's really not much action left. There was some thunderstorms there moving out of Dallas this morning associated with a very weak cold front that'll continue to make its way east, taking a lot of the rain with it. High pressure behind that will definitely strengthen, and it'll send temperatures in the desert southwest to soaring to above 110 degrees. So that's something that we'll experience down here as far as heat is concerned. And we're definitely going to stay pretty dry for the next day or so, and the heat is definitely still going to be around, but there will be some changes. So let's take a look at future track. By tonight, everything starts to cool down. We'll be in the upper 70s late tonight, early tomorrow morning. A few showers will pop up to the north of us, but that's pretty much it. Even Wednesday looks relatively dry. I can't rule out maybe an isolated shower along the coast, but for the most part, most of us won't see much rain. Here we go. Wednesday going into Thursday. That's where we see some changes. High pressure will kind of make its way back west a little bit more. That'll open the door for a few isolated showers in the afternoon along the sea breeze front. Even then, your rain chances are pretty slim. We're tracking the tropics on Channel 5 News at noon, and the Gulf is still very quiet. This area in the Atlantic is still making its way west, has a 70 to 80% chance of developing into a tropical depression, so it's something that we're watching. Meanwhile, in the Pacific, the area just south of the Baja Peninsula, or Baja California rather, will definitely continue to make its way west, but could become a tropical depression later on tonight. So that's another area we're watching, but all of these areas are going to continue to move over open water with no threat to the valley or to Mexico. So here's a look at your coastal forecast. We'll still be choppy out there, boaters, so please be careful, use caution, and remember to swim safe into your lifeguard. Although there's a low rip current risk, there's plenty of people out in the water today. Overnight, or actually this evening, for fireworks, 86 degrees will be the temperature. Still a little breezy, becoming less breezy overnight. Your lows will bottom out near 78. We're back to the mid 90s as we finish up the work week. We'll be 96 degrees with a few showers and that cloud cover keeping us a little bit cooler. But as we head into the weekend, we'll be back to the upper 90s, feeling a lot like the triple digits well into next week. Your overnight lows will be in the mid to upper 70s for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Stay with us. Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back.